With just a few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These two wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with a tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set, plug in, and you're ready to start vacuuming.
Assembling the Shark Apex Duo Clean with 0M powered lift-away is quick and easy. First, attach the wand to the nozzle. Then, slide the pod onto the pole down towards the nozzle until it clicks into place. Next, attach the handle to the wand and connect the lower end of the hose to the main body until it clicks into place. Turn the vacuum on with a power button on the handle, and just like that, you're ready to begin cleaning.